we're gonna prank Scott. We just had like a big party with this bottle of water, okay? We're gonna, yeah, hope it works. Unplug. Unplug. So, here he is. So we're just gonna leave iPad sitting.
What's that for?
Colby, why would you do that? What are you doing, man?
What the hell?
Gosh. Dude, what did he do to you? Oh, shit.
No!
What did he do to you? You'd wake him up. What the hell, man? I was just going to bed and then